right, let's read this question real quick. It says the element in period 4 and group 1 of the periodic table. So as soon as I see the word periodic table, I'm going to go and grab my periodic table. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that we can see it here. And it would be classified as. So periods on the periodic table are horizontal rows. So here you have the word period, and they tell you period 1, period 2, period 3, and period 4. So we are somewhere in period 4, which means we're somewhere in this horizontal row. And then it tells us in group 1. Well, groups are vertical columns on the periodic table. I'm going to change color. And so we are looking at group 1, which is right here. Well, where they cross, I'll circle it in blue. Right there is the element we're talking about. Now we have to decide how that element is classified. Well, if we start with a blank periodic table, you'll recall that we have this staircase line that's over here. I probably should be doing it in something other than black, but hopefully you can see that. I'm over here. Okay, that staircase line separates the metals from the non-metals. So everything that's over here is a metal. Everything that's over here is a non-metal. Well, because we're talking about potassium right here, the one I had highlighted in blue, that is a metal. It's on the left side of the staircase. So we can go up to our answers and we can circle the word metal.